Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to enable or integrate a Microsoft Store for business applications with Intune. So we would be able to deploy all the applications from Microsoft Store through Intune. Uh, if if you come to the apps right now and Windows, you'll see this the lists we have. And I already have created one Microsoft Company Portal from integrated with the Microsoft Store. But let me show you how we can integrate that one from the Intune site. Um, First, we need to go to Microsoft Store for Business. Once you come, this is the URL, businessstore.microsoft.com. I need to navigate through settings, click on device and distribute. In the distribution section, here you see two options, Microsoft Intune and Microsoft Intune Enrollment. I did activate Microsoft Intune. You'll just need to activate the Microsoft Intune here. Once you activate, you need to come back to um, Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center, navigate to Tenant Administration, navigate to Connectors and Tokens. Click on Microsoft Store for Business. Here you need to make sure you need to enable and save it. After you save, then run the sync. Once you run the sync, it will bring all the applications to Intune. So if you navigate back here, and if I go back to home, and let's go to products. See this one right now. I have two company portal. Um, One is offline, one is online. Um, let's add another application, Adobe Reader. Let's search for it. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one first. Click get the app. Okay, close. Now navigate to back to manage product and services. Okay, now the product's been added to our list. Now if I go back here and make sure you're in the tenant administration under Microsoft Store for Business, click sync. So it says sync will take some time, so we will give it some time. Um, After you give it some time, you need to come back to apps section, Windows. Then you'll here it is. So the PDF editor and is now showing here in our apps list in Intune. If I click open it, now you see there's no assignment yet. Now if I go to properties, under property, under assignment, click edit. So we have three assignment section: required, available, and install. So for I'll make it available. I'm going to add all users. Click review and save. Click save. Okay. Now if I navigate to I have two Windows 11 clients. Now I need to go back to settings here, run the sync. So the sync is still running. Let me go back to home. Okay. Not yet. I'm gonna go to my second app, second VM test workstation till the first one gets the policy. We can also run the sync if you can navigate to Intune devices, Windows, and if you click this is my second VM, we can also run the sync here. And if you navigate to managed apps, here you see these are the apps it's made available. I deployed this company portal as required. It shows installed. So this is the PDF reader now is showing available for that device. If I navigate back to, let me go back to home. Let's see. Um, okay, still not showing yet. Nope. So this will probably take some time. I'll give some time. We'll see. Once it shows up, I'll pause here and I'll show. Once it show up, I'll come back. Okay, still not showing up. Let's troubleshoot what's the issue. We did sync, and if you go back to the deployments, let's edit this one. Okay, yes, this is correct. Cancel. Required all users available. Okay, add all users. So let me check the Microsoft Store for Business. Let me check what we missed here. Click on, I see. Okay, so I know we need to make it available. See, this app isn't in your private store. Select everyone. Okay, let's make it everyone. Okay, now if we go back to products, let me check this one. Yep. So now let's go and resync. And also let me try resync my this device too. Okay, now I need to wait another couple more minutes. Let me make it faster. Go to my devices, Windows, sync. Okay, now let me go with my second device, sync. Okay. One more last sync. I'll give it some more time. Maybe I'll give it two more minutes, then I'll be back. Okay, I found another task needs to be completed in the product on the product page. Make sure we need to add the users here. So we need to assign a license to users besides making available in their stores. So we need to assign. I already assigned. These are my users. So once I assigned the license to use these users, then I came back and went to tenant administration, connectors, Microsoft Store for Business. I ran sync again. Then I came into my device and ran the sync from here. Now it's showing. So if I go, now I see I'm able to install this PDF. let me go back to my second device. Let me go up and go back to home page. Okay, I need to run the sync here. Okay, here it is. Yep. So now it's showing the two items that we were missed to enable it, assign to users the license, and also make it available for all people in the private store availability. These are the two requirements which I missed it. So now it's showing. Now you are able to see in our user devices. They can continue. Let me click install it in this one. Okay, it's downloading. Uh, okay. Okay, this one's pending. Now let's change to downloading. I'll pause here. Okay, now it's installed. Okay, so let me, here it is. Let's open it. I'm going to close this. It's a trial version I have. Okay, so we completed the tasks to integrate Microsoft Store for Business with Intune. We need to make sure we need to enable this one. And also whatever product we are deploying from Microsoft Business Store for Business, we need to make sure assign the license for all users, and we will be able to see, and also in the app section, those apps will start appearing here. Then we can assign them. If you have any question, any concerns, any issue, let me know, comment out, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.